Essar Oil is looking to expand its presence in the shale gas space with a $1 billion investment plan. The MD and CEO told ET Now that they're hopeful of oil staying benign around $55 levels in the near term. Listen in.
Essar has already established leader in unconventional hydrocarbon. Our Raniganj block has become a showcase of CBM development. We have invested around 4,000 crore in that block, and that block is now ready to go with production levels of 1.7 in next 2 years and up to 2.5 million SCMD in next 3 to 4 years. With this experience, we want to replicate in other CBM blocks, as well as with the unconventional simultaneous policy in place. We are looking into a shale prospect in the same block, which is in the range of 7.7 TCF. We will be spending around 30 million in the exploration plan, and if successful, $1 billion of investment will be in the shale development in the country.
Sir, do you have any other expansion plans as of now?
As I said, there are 2 more blocks for which CBM exploration and development. One is in Sohagpur, Madhya Pradesh, other is in Rajmahal in Jharkhand. These are the next 2 which we want to replicate the experience of CBM Raniganj in that block. In addition, as I said, shale gas upside is there. We want to go very systematically and thoroughly establish the potential, and if successful, $1 billion investment is expected in that block.
Okay. Sir, do you have an outlook on crude oil prices? Because there is so many things happening in the international market, be it the US-China trade war, the Iran sanctions, the situation in Venezuela. So what do you think the crude oil prices will be like in the upcoming quarter, or say in quarter 4?
The volatility is very high in crude oil price. It's very difficult to project. But we are having a basis of $50 to $55 for any assessment of the block going in a short term. Long term, really, we have to see what impacts the prices of the crude oil, which we will wait and watch for next 6 months.
So the government has just announced the 3rd round of bidding for OALP. So will you be bidding in that as well? How many blocks will you be interested in?
As I said, we are focusing on unconventional, and we have to establish a perfect leader of unconventional in the country. So we will look into the blocks in terms of our synergy to the existing portfolio, or otherwise if it is more attractive.